Hey, Wesley, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda. First and foremost, man, thanks for continuing the conversation with me, man, giving me an opportunity to wrap this pilot deal up for you and your wife. And I've got the gray all-wheel drive EXL here in modern steel metallic, is the actual code on that color. And the EXL, I know, like we looked at, we got a chance to drive it, so you're pretty familiar with the standard features. I did want to show you all the options, the dealer installed options that are on this particular model. You're going to see you've got your Honda Genuine splash guards to protect your paint from any kind of rock chips, asphalt, things of that nature. You will have a Honda Genuine wheel lock, one on each one of your chrome alloy wheels with the Pilot. You're also going to pick up the door edge guards right here, stretching the sides of the doors. That'll be already equipped on this vehicle, along with your super polysteel protection, which we are the only Honda dealer in the state that uses a polymer coating like that. And it's going to protect your leather, your floorboards, and your roof liner, along with extending the paint life on the exterior of the vehicle. It's just all around going to be there to protect your investment. And in the back of the vehicle, we have also in all of our Hondas here your power liftgate, of course, which is standard, but you're also going to have your folding cargo tray in this vehicle along with that. So when that's in the downright, like whenever you saw that when we were driving the vehicle, you can lay that out. I think y'all had some puppies, things like that it might be beneficial for as well. And you know, I've got all the way up to my general sales manager to try and get this deal worked out for you. I can authorize $38,500 out the door with your Georgia taxes included, everything said and done. It's a very aggressive price. Man, I know the Georgia dealer out there in Roswell is showing something a little bit lower, but they don't have this color in stock. We've checked their inventory, and they also they're not going to give you all these options included in that price. So you're right here. This is $2,686 worth of accessories that we're going to have all that figured in to that $38,500, along with a 250,000 mile powertrain guarantee. I know you guys visit Birmingham frequently. Y'all be able to take advantage of that, and I'm going to be the one taking care of all your Honda needs moving forward. So I really hope we can work this out. You can reach me at 205-504-2358. Again, thank you for the opportunity, man. Please let me know what you decide, and I'll make you this promise: when you make it back to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.